You are going to save lots of money on Duolingo.com. Just watch this video till end. Here I am going to share 4 fresh working code for Duolingo.com where you will get discounts and free gems by using this code. So just watch this video till end. This all codes are working right now, and this is new video. If you want previous video, simply check out the card section or end screen. So here is a 4 fresh working code you can use right now and get amazing discount on that. So here we go. Let me start from the code number first. Okay, so let me start from the code number first. The code number first is this. Okay, let me show you the code number first. So this is the code number first where you can use it and get discount on that. So let me show you. It is loading. You will get free gems, and this is code number 3 where you will get discount. This is code number, okay, actually this is code number 4 where you will get discount too, and this is last where you will get 10% off by using this code. You can use all these 4 fresh code, and if you want more, let me know in the comment section, and appreciate my work by hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel, because it take lot of time to find working coupon code. And let me know if you want more. Thank you very much for watching.